Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to archive orders on Amazon application. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and then look for www.amazon.com. Once you are here, you're going to click on your orders. This one is next to your accounts and lists. In here, tap on orders. Now wait for it to load. Now let's wait for Amazon.com to start loading. Once you are here, you'll click on the orders and then you will click on archived orders. Now wait for the website to load. Once it loads, it will now show all your archived orders over at Amazon.com. In here, I have none archived orders, but maybe in your case, you will have. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and please subscribe to the channel. And while you're at it, leave a comment as well.